pieces here. Secure a lot. How you doing, man? It's been a minute. Alright, Maxwell. Check you later. Have a good night. Alright, gonna mute my microphone for a few minutes while I sand this stuff down so I don't blow the speakers out. Alright, man. Well, hey, make that money, man. Make that money. Ah, Riddick. Good, strong name. Thank you, man, for the follow. Welcome to the clan. You know, proud Dragon Scion. Alright. Let's get this bad boy glued and in place. And once again, because this is crazy curve but also an incline curve, I'm only going to glue a little bit on here at a time. This way I can make sure I stay in control of how this is going down. These incline curve bends are real tricky. So I pretty much look at the bottom part and make sure I have it lined up with the base as I'm bending it, you know, and curling it. I hear you, man. You know, I would love to see a Riddick film when he finds Furia. I would love to see a movie about that. In case you guys don't know, Furia is Riddick's home planet, where he came from. He's never, well, he's been there, but if you really need to watch the movies. I won't spoil it for you, but it's a great mythos behind him. I would also love to see a Riddick film where they go more into depth on the Necroverse, like actually maybe showing it, you know, because I forgot what that dude's name was, like your second in command on that Necro ship, how towards the end when he came back asking for him, they was like, he's not here or there. He went into the Necroverse, You know, I would love to have seen what happened to him. I think his name was Rico, something like that. Speaking of Riddick, I am a bit of a Vin Diesel fan, like his films. Who is going to go see The Last Witch Hunter this month? It opens, I believe, on the 26th. I am definitely taking my family to go see that one. And if you have not seen the trailer for The Last Witch Hunter, go to YouTube, look it up. Looks nice. Looks real nice. This is one of those rare times when I lose something down and I don't have to actually worry about anything oozing out from the top or bottom, because this is going to be on the inside of the helmet. Can nobody see this? And then this top portion here is going to have a lid glued to that too, so there's no way in hell anybody can see any glue oozing around. So it's a good thing. Yeah, Riddick, I am making the character you see on the screen. His name is called Calabrito. He is from a comic called Battle Chasers. Came out about 10 years ago, drawn by a really popular artist named Joe Madeira, Joe Mad for short. He's bringing back the comic series. And as well as the comic series, he's also doing a JRPG based on the characters in the universe, which is pretty freaking awesome. Right now they got a Kickstarter going, so if you want, you go to Kickstarter, type in Battle Space Chasers, and you should see the Kickstarter project there. And yeah, the movie is called The Last Witch Hunter. Definitely gotta be careful, 'cause this stuff does get hot on you. So I'm gonna have to hold this for a minute and give this time to fully set up and get cool. Let me turn on my fan again. everything you see in that picture is what I'm building. I'm 6'2" now, so I'm guessing by the time I finish building it and I get into it, I'll probably be anywhere from 6'4" to 6'5" inches tall in that suit. So now the pencil, I have to mark where I have to put this next cut at so everything fits pretty well. Well, actually, let me just cut this bit straight down. Fall into place, and then I can use a Dremel and smooth out that curve.
Rick says crazy, bro. I'm gonna check in all the time to see the progress.
Cool, man. Cool. Please do. Please do. Yep, I'm gonna have the eyes lighten up, the green orbs in the chest, those light up, so I'm gonna have that going too. Depending on how much time I have, I might even add in the gun, because he has an arm cannon on his left arm, but it transforms into it. So he has two modes, you know, just his hands, and then his left hand turns into a cannon. So if I have the time and I can figure it out, I could try to make it transform, but if it's a little too involved for me, I might just go ahead and build a second hand completely. That's the cannon itself.
So where are you gonna wear it?
I'm shooting for this to be done for CameraCon next year. That's what I'll be going to. I'm going to be wearing that. I'll be wearing my Overfiend outfit, which is really, really comfy. And I might also be building a second cosplay, full armor suit again. Will be the Overfiend in his actual perfect warrior armor that he calls. Not Overfiend, Overlord. Overlord. I also want to rebuild my Reinhardt cosplay too. I mean, it came out good the first time, but since then the company has actually released concept art shots of the character from all angles, so I can get it even more canon now to the actual character. So there's things on it that I have to change to get it, you know, as close to it as possible.